Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I've got the engine back in the frame, just loosely bolted with the swing arm pivot and one underneath. Before I can really build any further, I got to fix the forks, because the only way I'm going to get it on back on the stand is to have the forks there. So that'll be today's episode, is loose seals in the forks. I'm probably gonna body work and paint these. I think they're anodized and they're beat to heck. So I'll body work and paint these with some engine enamel, as well as get all this engine mount hardware cleaned up. Anyway, that's what's going on today. Thanks for tuning in. So it's the same process I did on the swing arm. I'm using this gray primer. I did take a buffing wheel, and any of these spots that were high, I buffed down so that I can fill them after, but I need a little primer on there first. So I'm just mixing up a bit of body filler here. This is 10 times more than I need, but I'm just going to take my finger, anywhere there's a big divot from, a foot peg or a rock or whatever. For now, I'm just going to fill that, and then after it hardens, we'll sand that, reprime, and it'll be ready to paint, and it'll look like brand new. Now that my body filler is dry, I'm just going to take some 220 and hand sand it down till all those marks are gone, and then I'll give it another coat of primer. So I'm just using aluminum engine enamel. It's got a ceramic in it, so it really holds its shine. Nice stuff to spray. So it's all sprayed. I've removed the tape. Looks like brand new again. If you're planning on going hardcore motocross, it will get chipped up, but that's probably not what's going to happen to this bike. This bike will probably sit in somebody's office or something as a display piece. That's usually where my bikes go when I sell them, but to each his own. So I've got a brand new swing arm chain slider to put on. I did buy real Yamaha hardware because I was missing one of these anyway. Not the cheapest thing in the world for a little bolt. Sometimes they really nickel and dime you on that small stuff, but it just takes your restoration up to another level when you're not putting rusty junk back on, you know.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
Well, it's starting to look like a bike again. That suspension is nice and crisp now. There's no plate anywhere. I've elected to stay with the big bar kit, but I did get new bars. The main reason is the caps for the original bars cost more than the handlebars and the pad for whatever reason. So I decided to stay with the big bar. I think that pad looks nice. I didn't have one when I bought it. I've elected to go with like an OEM style clutch and hot start lever, and I've also replaced this kill switch. So I guess that's going to be it for this episode. Still a long way to go. Obviously I still have a lot of parts to clean up. There's hours and hours yet to come, for me at least, on cleaning up this brake stuff, cleaning up that air box, cleaning up that exhaust, and polishing the tank. Next episode I'll be heading on over to Steve at Old Iron Customs. He's going to take a look at this seat and make me a new cover, because no one is making an OEM replica currently. So stay tuned for that. Maybe he'll let us film him actually building the seat cover and installing it. Anyway, I wanted to say thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.